Hello beautiful people, I hope you're doing well and welcome back again to our channel. For people that don't know, my name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. You already know, if you have any questions, make sure to drop them below because you already know I will make a video for you and you should be a witness for that. If you are a subscriber more than a year ago, I made over 100 videos for Shopify customization. They were mostly requests from subscribers and some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. Just a like button, that's all I'm asking. And actually, if you are interested in Shopify customization, you want to be an expert, so you learn how to do each thing yourself, you don't have to hire a developer, subscribe to the channel, man. I don't offer anything to sell. I don't sell any courses, never will. I don't sell any codes or content. I don't have any memberships. All the things I do create, I posted completely free on the channel. You just have to skip around some ads, but that's the case for most of the videos on YouTube. So it's a win-win situation. And here I am again with another requested video, which is how to add the shadow effect or lift effect, as some might call it, on your Shopify product cards. And this is a really good trick because it looks really unique on your Shopify store. Once you edit your products, the products cards on collection page or home page, they look completely different. They look just like you are using some premium themes or something like that. And most of the premium themes have it, by the way. They have it by default. They don't have the option to disable it or something like that. So it's already built in the premium themes. And no worries, as I said in my previous video, I'm here for people that cannot afford premium themes. So they can afford me because I'm free. No worries, I got you. As I said in this video, I will show you how to add that lift effect or the shadow effect on the products cards for your Shopify store. And we will do that again without using any apps or anything like that, by using our own custom code that will do the trick. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is the Shopify dashboard, by the way, and this is down theme, which is the one I do demonstration on. In the videos. But if I scroll down in here, I have every other free theme, the most used ones, which is Stay, Sense, Refresh, Spotlight, and Trade. And if you are wondering why is that, because I do actually try the tricks behind the scenes on each one of these. So even if you're not using down, because you're gonna see me in the video doing it on down, no worries, I did actually try the trick on each one of these. So if you are using one of these, it should work for you just fine. And even if it didn't, just drop me a comment. I will be happy to help you out. But I'm sure it will, no worries. Because as I said, I tried behind the scenes. I don't do that in the video, so I don't bore people. And I'm not here to bore you. I'm here to make you a little bit... I have some jokes every now and then. I don't consider my jokes that good, but... at least I'm trying, man. At least I'm trying. Anyway, let's just go talk it again for the second time and show you how to add the lift effect or not the hover effect. It's the shadow effect on the product cards on your Shopify store. So this is the Shopify store we're gonna do the trick. And this is where I do all my tricks. So anything you saw in the Shopify store, you want to do it. If you saw this WhatsApp button right here at the bottom, if you saw this scroll to footer at the bottom, if you saw this transparent header with this, anything you saw on the Shopify store and you think it looks good and you want to implement it on your Shopify store as well, I already made that video and you're gonna find it on the channel. Just scroll down. But what I'm talking about here is the product cards right here, as you can see. So we will add actually a lift effect or the shadow effect below this product card, and it's gonna be on the right on the right side of the card, so it will look better. If you add it on all sides, it does look really good, but only from one side it looks very good, and you can actually change that if you want it on both sides. But after you saw what I'm talking about, you will think that it looks better from the side as well, and you will see that in a second. So we will keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it. So let's just get back to Shopify dashboard, and the first thing you're going to do, as always, click on the three dots on left of customize and click on edit code. Then it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme, and use the search bar at the top left corner because we need to find a specific file, and that file called theme.liquid. Simply type in theme and you will see theme.liquid right here, as you can see. Click on it, and after that you will see a bunch of code in here. Scroll all the way down to the bottom page and you will see this option right here. It says /body, as you can see. So we need to find this section right here, and as I said, it's gonna be at the bottom of theme.liquid, and here it is, because as I said, we need to pass in some code in here, and in order to pass in the code, we need to first create some space, because we need to pass it above /body or before /body, but there is no space. So simply click in front of the last thing before /body right here, then simply hit enter on your keyboard, and here we go. We have a completely new line because we need to pass in some code, as I said. In order to get that code, you need to hire a developer, pay him, and wait 24 hours. I'm joking, no need. Scroll down description box and you will see a link named as code. Then simply click on it and it will take you to this page right here where you're gonna see this little bit of code that will do the trick. So select the whole code in here, make sure to select the whole thing, then right click and copy. And you see these numbers right here. If you're familiar with CSS, you can play around with this to make it unique or change the aspect of the shadow or the position and so on. If not, when you already know what you want, just drop me a comment. That will help you changing the values in here. So after you select the whole code, I'm not sure if I did copy it. Let me copy it again. Right click, copy, get back in here, paste it above and before /body. Now we're good to go. Let's just click on the save button, wait a couple of seconds. We will get back in here, reload the page, and here we go. Check it out. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it looks like just like it was the product pictures are lifted from the Shopify store or the background of the Shopify store, as you can see right now. And it applies to every product in here, as you can see. And it looks way better. And that's how you add the shadow effect or lift effect on the product cards for your Shopify store. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job here is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.